Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to back up mnemonic phrases on Bitget Exchange. So step number one is to access your mnemonic phrase. So open Bitget Wallet application or the Web3 wallet linked to Bitget Exchange, and then you just have to tap on settings or go to the security center. Select backup mnemonic phrase and then just verify your identity. It may require a PIN, Face ID, or a password. So your 24 word mnemonic phrase will be displayed. So you just have to securely back up your mnemonic phrase and just make sure that you never share your mnemonic phrase because anyone with access can control your wallet. So it's not safe at all. So to back up it in a safe method, you can write it down on a paper, store it in a safe place. You can also use a metal seed storage device for long-term durability, or you can also use an encrypted USB drive if you prefer digital storage, and you can also store it in a secure password manager, only if highly trusted. And then after that, just verify the backup. Just try restoring your wallet on a different device using a backed up phrase. And then ensure all assets and tokens appear correctly. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!